One of the most popular upgrades we've ever offered for the Spider was the full-size brake pedal, and now it's here for all Can-Am Ryker models. This pedal features a steel base plate that mounts to your factory brake pedal with the included hardware. It's topped with a textured, high-density rubber pad to ensure maximum grip. At just over 4 inches wide and nearly 2 inches tall, it gives you way more surface area than stock, which means easier access and less chance of your foot slipping when you really need the brakes. Installation is quick and straightforward, so follow our team as we walk you through the installation.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by adding a dab of removable thread lock to all hardware included in the kit. Next, align the holes on the brake pedal to the holes on the mounting bracket like so. Insert the 2 black screws finger tight. Then, tighten them down with a 4mm Allen wrench, making sure not to over-tighten. Partially thread the silver set screws into the brake pedal bracket. Slide the new brake pedal over the stock brake pedal until it stops. Then evenly tighten the set screws the rest of the way with a 3mm Allen wrench, making sure not to over-tighten.
If increasing the size of your Ryker brake pedal is on your mod list, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.